Hi everyone, welcome back to Grandpa Mark's Hobbies and an unboxing of an AMT ERTL kit. This is the International Scout and it was given to me by JC, and I just wanted to do an unboxing because it's such a really cool kit. And I just finished that Cadillac Brougham and took some time and I started reorganizing the desk a little bit. The guys have been helping out really well. I even got a new paintbrush holder, so all this is cleaned out. And on this side, since it came with two, I was able to put all my files and all my extra X-Acto knives and things in there. My wire, my tape. Look at Zach's all into that. I think Chandler's saying hi. TJ is trying to get the X-Acto knife put over on the other side there. So let me pull the lid off of this thing and we'll get into it. Okay, now this was an open box, so I'm not the first one to ever see the inside of this one. But let's see what we got here. Right off the top, we got the old AMT, sorry TJ. We got the AMT directions. And I'm trying to get organized here. There we go. Which, pretty cool pictures on the front. But these are very nice directions, nice size. So a blind dude like me can see what the heck is going on here. Very good. They're even, the pages are even written out. Look at there, page 3, page 4, the undercarriage. This is supposed to be a fairly straightforward and easy build, but I think we're going to have fun with this when I finally do get into putting it together. That'll be a little down the road. I want to get a few things caught up first, to say the least. So let's start pulling parts out of this box. 2 bags, 3 bags to be honest with you, and a bag of tires. So we'll start with the tires here. Take a good look at them. I got my visor on, so we should be able to see good, bad, or indifferent here. These AMT ERTL kits, I've never had a bad one. Never. Check them out. These are Goodyear Tracker ATs. Nice tire. Got a little seam in the center that'll sand right out, but very good. Look at how the back is opened up. You're not going to mess up putting these on. But nice 4 tires. Very nicely done. Get the main bag of parts out, and I'm going to move that box out of the way so I can put parts back in it. Now, he opened the box up but never cut the bag, so all the parts will be here. The only thing that's not going to be in the bag, and he told me, is the decals, which I'm fine with. With this kit, I probably wouldn't decal it that much anyhow. So I wasn't big into the big graphics and things like that back in the day anyhow. So we are fine. Here's our chassis. Underside looks very nice. Spare tire container. Just sitting there. Little mold line, but not bad. That'll sand out. And I think there's supposed to be a little bit of a mold line there anyhow. So we'll move that out of the way. We'll check. There's a number 22 engraved in the bottom of this thing. And that is it. The rest of this is crisp and clean. Very nice. Turn around to the sides. Again, nice and crisp. Straight, flat body. They're showing this thing. Well, on that side they did at least. I don't know. Just mold, I guess. The way that was molded. Turn it in. You got your bed. It's got stripes in there. I'm not sure if these are supposed to be chrome or not. I don't know much about the Scout. I'll have to dig in, but there's good detail in here that we can paint up nice. I think I'll pull the Gallery 96 out for this one and do a bunch of taping off and masking and break these up. That might be a good video. I haven't done a good masking video I haven't done a good masking for a while. So yeah, we'll do a masking video on here, maybe even spray these things silver. Figure out what we're gonna do with that back. But this looks very good. Very good. Carpet looks nice. Not even sure what color I'm going for with this yet. So in the box that'll go. And next we have exhaust that is very nicely done. Check it out. Very nice. We can drill a little hole in here and open that up. Spin up. If we need to, we can move them around a little bit. It looks like there's one mounting point. So not bad. Exhaust manifolds. Bucket seats. Back seat. Nice steering wheel. I like it when the steering wheel doesn't have a whole bunch of flash on it and you can just go to town. So very nice. I'm not seeing any flash, to be honest with you. A little bit of mold line, but shoot, that's to be expected. I mean, what the heck? That's all part of doing the kits. Now we're getting into some meat here. We got our hood. Nice, no scratches, no nothing. Inside, just flat, 4 pin marks. That's expected too. Those will sand right out, and then we'll paint that up. We have on this side, there's our front fuel pump, water pump, our whole engine front. Look at the suspension on this. You might have a one-piece drive shaft, but there's some nice detail in this. Very nice. We'll keep on moving here. Our back suspension, good detail in that. I mean, it's just one piece. We got a mold line that we're gonna have to deal with. It's a little offset, just a tiny bit. But we can deal with that. Just pick which side we're gonna make the main side and sand the other side down to it. So that's not a problem. Our fuel tank looks very nice. The detail in this is very good. Our intake manifold. That does have a little tiny bit of flash, but nothing that won't sand off in like 4 seconds. Sorry about that, I hit the thing. I'm kind of getting into it here. Dashboard, good detail in the dash. Nice raised up in here, so we should be able to make this look really good. Really good. And this was kind of a work car, so it's not going to be like super fancy in there either. So good fan. A little battery. Flip it over. Here's our center console, I think. I don't think so. I'm not sure what that's for. We'll have to figure that one out. That might be a piece for the frame. It looks like the axle would go down through there or something. So we'll figure it out. We got our four-wheel drive transfer. Our engine block, 2-piece. Starter's molded on. Transmission is all molded on real nice. Oil filter sitting off the side, kind of a little weird, but we can work with that. Radiator hose. I think we got everything covered except for the fan belt, which is really, really thick, and our rims. So this looks sharp. We're gonna have some fun with this. We really are. I wonder how much detail we can stuff into that. There's a bunch right there. Let's go with the chrome next. And I haven't even looked at the directions at this yet, so I'm going at this cold, as you can tell. What I do see though is something that I've wanted to do for a while. Right off the rip, we got a CB radio, 40 channel. We'll call that one a realistic, since I worked at Radio Shack for a while. Nice mic. I think we'll cut this off and we'll make our own mic wire though. We can do better than that for sure. Fuel cap, I bet. Air cleaner. Top and bottom. Mirrors. Not a clue of what these two are. Not a clue. Oh, that, I don't know. I'm not even gonna guess. Nice looking rims. Very nice looking rims. Nice valve covers. Bumpers. Front bumper with the headlights molded in. I'm gonna do a video on how I did these headlights on the Cadillac Brougham because I was happy with the way they came out. So we'll drop a video in on that for sure. But all in all, that chrome looks good. It's not really super toyish shiny. So I'm happy with that. We don't have to, I'm not gonna have to throw anything in the quick shine except for the CB radio. So, I like that. I like that a lot. Now our last bag, this will be a quick unboxing. Has a glass in it, so we're gonna be careful here how we cut this open. It's kind of folded together a little bit. So let's do this without cutting my fingers off. And see if we can't unwrap it like a banana maybe. And maybe not. That glass is sitting in there pretty deep. I can feel tape on it right here. So we're gonna cut this. There we go, look at that. And I'm sure whoever built this before is going, no, it goes like that. Let's put that, I wanna look at this glass real quick. Yep, that's what I was hoping for. Well, it's a one-piece glass for sure, which makes it, I mean, you can't get any easier than that. And to be honest with you, this kit doesn't need any more than that because it'll all tuck up in there nice. But I was looking for these. These are our tail lights. And what I'll do is I'll paint the back silver, I'll paint the front the clear red, and those will look very good. And yep, they'll drop right in there. So I'm not gonna do any lighting on this since the front headlights aren't clear lights. But let's check out this body. That is a sweet body. Really nice. Our side markers are very prominent, so we can make them look really good. The Scout 2 sticks out real nice. International sticks out nice. I always love these things. You know, I don't know much about them because I never had one or I never worked on one, but I always really liked them. Look, we've got a mount for our gas cap. These look really good. Nice deep door lines on here all the way around. The windshield wipers are molded in. Cool, I like that top. That is really neat. This was just a cool car. It really was. Everybody dug the Bronco and everything, but I like these. You know, you just didn't see a whole lot of them. But there we go. In a nutshell, not a lot to it, but a really cool car. I think we'll have fun with this. It looks like a fairly straightforward and easy build, so we will go with that. But I will let you go. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing just to show everybody. I think we got like 15 minutes into this and easy peasy. So I'll let you go. You all have a great day and a better tomorrow. Thank you for watching.